So in this video, we're going to be plotting y equals x squared plus 1. So I'm going to evaluate this graph at the points from -5 up to 5. I'm not going to be able to plot them all, but it's going to give you an idea of what this graph looks like. So let's go straight in. When x is equal to -5, so y equals -5 squared. So we'll replace the x with -5, and then we're adding 1. So -5 times -5 is positive 25, plus 1 is 26. Then when x is -4, we're going to have -4 times -4, which is 16, plus 1 is 17. Then when x is -3, -3 squared is 9, plus 1 is 10. Then we'll have -2 squared plus 1, which is 4 plus 1, which is 5. Then -1 times -1 plus 1. So -1 squared is 1, plus 1 is 2. When x is 0, we'll have 0 squared plus 1, which is 1. When x is 1, we'll have 1 squared plus 1, which is 2. When x is 2, we're going to have 2 squared plus 1, which is 5. And at this point, you might spot, oh, wait a minute, we're now seeing the symmetry. We've got the 1, then we've got 2s, 5s, and because of the symmetry, that will allow you to then write in the rest of the table. So keep an eye on quick ways of like going, right, here are my points, that's where the symmetry line is, and so I can then fill in the rest of my table. It's a really useful technique if you can spot it. But of course you can check all those as well, 5 squared plus 1, 4 squared plus 1, 3 squared plus 1, etc. So now let's plot the points. So let's start at x0, so 0, 1. So that's the point there. Then we've got 1, 2. So 1, 2 is there. 2, 5 is next. So x is 2, y is 5, so about there. And then 3, 10. That's actually just a bit, almost beyond my graph. It's somewhere there. And then if we go backwards, we've got -1, 2, which is this point here. Then we've got -2, 5, which is this point here. Then we've got -3, 10, which is about there. Something like that. Okay, and then we want to draw a nice curve going through those points. Okay, one's a little bit off. It's always difficult. There we go. Something like that. That's a little bit, that's not too bad. Okay, and so there, that is what my curve looks like for y equals x squared plus 1. It's just like y equals x squared, but it's been translated, just been moved 1 unit upwards.